Hey everyone, how's it going today? I'm Enoch Leisure from All Dogs Off-Road. I have just started about a week and a half ago. I'm the new community manager going forward, so if you guys have any questions or concerns, make sure you reach out to me. You may also know me as Mo Leisure X Ventures. We've been traveling the country for the last 4 years, trying to go to all the national parks, and I'm super excited to start with All Dogs Off-Road, and let's jump into the project that we're going to do today. Today we're going to talk about the Fox rooster guards, rock guards, dust debris guards, however you want to look at it. The idea behind these is to protect your shaft that's going in and out on the shock, so that way you don't end up with scratches, dings, or damage to it, preventing any future oil leaks and extending the longevity of your Fox shock. These are really awesome. They're going to be about $30 on our website. Check them out when you have a chance, and let's jump into the install. Just a couple things that you're going to need for the install. Let me rephrase. Only one thing you're going to need for the install. A beautiful Phillips head screwdriver. It doesn't have to be this fancy, but you know, a nice one. It's super straightforward and easy. We're going to take this guy, we're going to slide it onto the lower section of the shock. It's going to be on the bottom mount point. It has a nice little groove for the shaft here. You take it, you slide it right on, and then we're going to rotate it around to the side, and then we'll take the opposing end that will be like a clamp. We're going to slide that in to the grooves, right like that, and then we'll start tightening these bad boys down. This shouldn't take you more than 5-10 minutes. If you got a lift, it'll make it even easier, but you can do this on the ground, in your driveway, quite simply. And there we go. You just rotate that back around to get in position so it'll protect from any road debris that might pop up. And then you rinse and repeat and do it on the passenger side. So one thing that I missed on the driver's side, I want to go over on the passenger side, is you make sure that you raise up this rubber bump stop just a smidge, because this is going to wrap right underneath it like that, and then it grabs around this lower base, and that's where it clamps to hold together. Alright, now that we got these bad boys installed, I think I'm going to go hit a trail and see if I can abuse them a bit. On that note, you can get them on alldogsoffroad.com, and if you're in Las Vegas in the coming week, we are going to be at SEMA and we'd love to chat. Thanks for watching.